Here's how to use Canva to put your brand assets together so that you can make everything easier. You can only do this on the Pro account, but it does definitely spend ages of time working through it. So I'm just going to move my little face here. And we're going to come into the home screen, and as you come down here, you'll see Brand Kit. And you click on here and you can upload your logos. So you can see that I've got logos here. I'll just grab something that's not even a logo. I'm just going to put that in there, and you can see that it will come up into here and become an automatic picture in here that you can use. And you want to have things that have had the background taken off them, so they've got that transparent background, so you can overlay them as opposed to these solid ones that are here. So obviously this one doesn't have that. That's not ideal. All right, and then we'll come down here. And then you can also load up your brand colors. Now, if you don't have your brand colors, you can actually either add your specific colors, or you can find one here that you like the look and feel of and go, actually, that's the one that I want to have. So you might flick through and go, oh gosh, this is terrible because I always want to choose something that I actually like. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to go, you know what, I feel like this one is my palette, so it's actually quite similar to something else I've done, and so then you can turn that into yours and you can rename it test palette like this. And then at the same time, you can also create your fonts that you want to use for your headings, subheadings, and for your basic ones. So like in here, I could change this to Palmer Lake, which is one of our other fonts. And then it would automatically come through and look like that. And it means when I want to use something, it automatically uses that font. And I can do any of these ones, or I can upload a font that I wanted to use in here and use it as part of my brand. All right, so I'm just going to go and show you what this looks like when you're editing something. Actually, we'll just leave that. We'll leave that. No, okay, so we'll do that. So I'm just going to come to home again and create a design. And I'm just going to grab just an Instagram thing here, and I'm going to choose an existing template that someone else has already done. So let's choose this one. Okay, so I've grabbed this template here, and what I can do is, so I've got all these pages here of different things, and I can go down into my styles, and it will have my brand kit here, and I can click that and it will automatically change the font. And then I can click my brand. So we went down to this one that was here, the test palette, and it will also change that automatically. And if I had a bunch of these, I could then go down here and there'll be a little thing called add to all pages, and all the pages would change automatically. And then my font is the right colors, my colors are the right colors, and my font is here, and it's automatic. You can, of course, just use the ones that are here, but it is really good to have a nice, consistent brand look and feel, and that's a really easy way to keep that going.